Nonsense. He's been shouting at me, breaking down the whole place just because of 150,000 naira.
You walked out on me.
I did not walk out on you. So do not even start with these your accusations this morning.
After all I've done for you and your family, you still looked me in the face and told me I hate your mother.
Come off it, Chike. You know that is the truth. I mean, you hate my mother. Why else will you be angry with me each time I go to visit her? Tell me, why? Why are you that way?
Is this what you say?
It is nothing but the fact. It is what I say. Now tell me, what tangible thing have you ever done for my family? Oh, you bought a truck for my father, right? Yet you still eat the money from that same truck. How callous can you be? How wicked can you be? My mother is doing nothing. The same thing with my brother. You have everything to make them comfortable, yet you are not.
How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stuck up with this type of woman? I can't come back where I come here and find before my country.
Chike, the wicked man.
You heard me.
I can't come there, I can hear a fan before my country. We back with the fan. Get me cavaje, messy me too. Yeah. Yamere o anuronumo, if I'm a mere gonjano, mana opi mudi kwano chao. Ay, o anuronumo, ndemadenu if I'm a mere gonjano, mana opi mudi kwano chao. How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stock up with this type of woman? I can't come back where I come here.
I have sent you the 150,000 naira you demanded.
I can't come back, I can hear a fan before my country. We back with the fan.
Hello, Mama. Yes, he just sent me the money. Yes, Mama, he just did. Okay, I'll just fetch it up and meet you.
If I'm a mere abugonjono mana opi mudi kwano chao.
Iga kwam. Ina dia. Iga kwam Jerry. Tell me what you did with the money that you realized from the money. What if you did?
What I did with the money is nobody's business.
It is my business. It is my business.
Mba. Bibiko. What I do with the money is nobody's business.
It is my business. Jerry, it is my business. You have been squandering the money, carrying women up and down, slim women, big one, red and blue. Tomorrow you will say that Chike, your brother, did not help you. Do not mention my name at all.
Mama, why are you angry with me? Eh? After all, the money is mine.
It is never yours. We allowed you to use that money because you said you wanted to use it for your business. That was the reason. Okay? So today, you bring that money out. Brother Cherry, it is not good.
Then tell Mama to leave me alone.
Why would I tell her to leave you? Why will she leave you? Where did you keep the money?
Mama, leave me.
Bring that money out.
Mama, leave me.
Bring that money out. You pushed Mama down. Why did you push Mama down? Brother Cherry, it's my mama. I'm respecting you. I'm respecting you. Brother Cherry. Brother Cherry, you pushed Mama down. You pushed Mama down. You do it today. You do it today. Mama is saying I'm clapping. Bite him. You are going nowhere.
You said Chike shouted at you.
Yes, Mama. He was shouting at me.
And you said I should not talk to him.
Mama, there's no need of talking to him.
I've always told you, the way you present yourself to a man is the way the man will treat you. If you present yourself like a slave, he will treat you like a slave, and that is how he will treat you until you leave that house.
Mama, stop sounding like that too. I mean, the way you're sounding, it's just as if you don't... Mama, you're my mother. Yes, I would want to be a good wife. But it's not when someone is trampling on my right. I can just save the person once.
Hey, I'll be like your mother. Eh? Ha! Oh, did he give you the money?
Of course, Mama. I just have one problem. I mean, one issue which I am regretting. I reduced the 200,000 naira list you told me about to 150k. Mama, sorry. I would have even written 300 and you'd have still given it to me. So I don't know what came over me.
How many times have I told you that when a man is in love with a woman, he can do anything to please this woman? He can do anything. It's going to not 10 billion. Eh? What is wrong with you?
Mama, sorry.
Hey!
That's why I said I'm regretting doing it. I will not reduce it again. I won't. I promise. Please.
So how much is my share in this one that you reduce now?
Mama, 50k.
I make it 70,000 because Zukwani Mizu will believe it. 70,000.
Mama, 50k is okay. Remember, I still have to buy some certain things I wrote on that list and fill up the store. If not, Chike will be asking me where are the stuff. Where is this one that you wrote? Where? You know how Chike is. Oh, joker.
Well, she be adding money for me, but no more commission. No more bunye gucci. This is my brain that she has somehow to give you.
I know, Mama. I'll give you more. You go and dress up. Let's go to the ATM before Papa needs.
Call your brother again.
Mama, I'm having a feeling that he is very busy at the office. He will call back as soon as he is less busy.
Just wanted him to know that we are here.
Come.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
Mama.
Mama,
Good evening.
my daughter.
Good evening, Mama.
Yori.
Mama.
Kedi.
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm having the same.
Sorry. You guys are even eating snacks. And you're also enjoying your juice.
Come and eat.
That's nice. Thank you. Thank you, Mama.
I have been calling my son, but he's not picking my call.
Okay. Let me call him then. But, Mama, I'm sure he'll be very busy at the office. You know how he is.
That's exactly what I told Mama.
He's busy, I'm sure.
Mama, he's the one calling.
Please.
Oh, is he the one? Okay.
Answer him.
Mama.
Answer him.
Mama, let me go and make dinner before he comes back.
Hello, Brother Chike. Mama wants to speak with you. Okay. Welcome.
Thank you.
Hello, Chikazi. Kedi. We have been calling your line, but it seems you are busy. Yes, we just arrived. Okay. Okay. We are waiting. All right, thank you.
Like him mother, like his daughter. I don't want, na mother na don't want. If a nene okwaya kona kusini mwaya, zela don't want. Maketiness ye make a waseme. If a nene make a one nene. If a nene makona kusini mwaya. Like a mother, like a daughter, oh. As if a nene make a one nene. Yet to make a one. Oh, people never gonna cuisine while. Yeah, like him mother, like his daughter. Hey, yeah. Yeah. Like his mother, like his daughter.
No, come on. Who gave those people in my compound? I mean, I said the brother was coming back. Who gave them the snacks and the drink which they are taking?
I did, ma.
For what? Why? I asked you a question. Who gave them the drink and the snacks? You did what? You did what? You gave them my drink without my consent. Is this your husband's house? Is this your father's house? So why did you give it to them?
Ma, they said they were hungry.
So?
I wanted to make indomie for them.
You wanted to do what? To make noodles for them? Ha! Why did you not make the noodles now? You would have made the indomie so that I will make the indomie too with your ears. Go ahead and get back with it. I can bring it. Slut. Any living thing can just come from nowhere, come to my house, you give them whatever they want to eat. Because this is a challenge. This is a place where they sell food. What are they even doing here?
I can't come back where I come here a family. Before my country, back with the family. Kini kavate mezi metua. Hopi modi kwa nochao. I can't come back where I come here a family. Before my country, back with the family. Kini kavate mezi metua. Yeah.
Hi there.
You're welcome.
Thank you. So, are you okay?
If I'm a Mary, I put on no man, I hope you moody one. How did I end up?
Did your people tell you they were visiting? I mean, did you get any call from them? Or were you aware they were coming?
It's an emergency. Mama said my brother drove them out of his house.
No, you tell me, and so what? Does that give them the leverage to come to someone's house uninvited? I mean, unannounced. Who does that?
Someone's house. I don't get it.
Oh, how would you get me? No, tell me, Chike, how do I expect you to get me? When it involves your mother, you will not get me. You're now daft. You've now become a dummy.
What are you all about? Like, what exactly do you mean? Are you angry that my mother and my sister came to my house?
I do not care whatever rubbish that comes out from your mouth. But please, do me a favor. Next time, teach your people some manners. They should call someone on the phone before barging into someone's house. Because I might not be this nice next time.
Eh? My own wife is now angry that my mother and my sister came to my house. What's the explanation to this?
I want you. Just take it easy,
Fifi.
Why?
Enjoy this cafe room.
My enjoy is his day. When he celebrates, Jerry is a good man.
Hey!
Man of the moment. Man of the moment.
The birthday boy.
I'm a big girl, man. Jerry. The only good man in this village. It's a mother. Can you see that? Can you see that? I wonder.
Oh, my man.
Happy birthday, baby.
Asanwa.
Happy birthday, Jerry.
Asanwa. Yes, hope you guys enjoyed the meat. This one is child's play. I have arranged for more meat.
Hey,
Odogu game. Uno ga atagi down ojebe dentist.
I
told you now.
I believe you.
Calm down.
Jerry,
I trust you.
I will eat and drink everything.
I know what you can do. Marokebo.
Yeah. Let me go and arrange for more meat. Nka, child's play.
Really?
Akwana nke Jerry kuno bia. Na nke mo kuno bia.
Okay, nwa.
What is happening here? Your elder brother is celebrating his birthday. Jerry, you didn't tell him?
I wonder what you're doing here. As you can see, you're not welcome, so you can leave now.
Jerry, you didn't tell him? I wonder what you're doing here. I wonder what you're doing here.
I wonder what you're doing here. As you can see, you're not welcome, so you can leave now. As you can see, you're not welcome, so you can leave now.
So this is what you do with the money you realized from the sale of our plots of land.
Welcome. I will not have you insult me in front of my guests. In case you didn't hear me the first time. For the last time, Siabapo.
This is my father's house and I have as much right to be here as you do.
I said I will not have you insult me. Get out.
Why did you beat up Mama?
Jerry, you beat up your mother?
Oh, rubbish. Don't mind what this man is saying. How could I beat up my own mother? How? Welcome, be careful. Be careful.
Look at the life you have chosen to live at your age. Is this not foolish and stupid?
Chike, no, I can't be foolish in front of my guests.
But that is what it is.
Check him out.
No, that is it. Go ahead and do what you want to do. How can you live so irresponsibly? You don't want anyone to talk to you. Allow him to come and do his work. Tell like you're living at your age. Is this responsible? Carrying these things around and squandering all the money you make.
By the time I break your head into 1,000 pieces...
I'm waiting for you to come and break my head.
No. Jerry, no, today is your day. Chike, please. Biko.
Wow. Hey. How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stock up with this type of woman? I can't come back where I come near a fan. If I'm a country, we're back with the fan.
Mama, what is the meaning of this nonsense? What is this now? The meaning of what, my wife? Mama, why must you lie down in the sitting room? What happened to your bedroom? Please don't be offended. I am not feeling fine. Who gives a damn whether you're feeling fine or you're feeling unhappy? Who cares? Please, I beg you in the name of God. Sitting rooms are not meant for lying down. You can use your bedroom when you're feeling sleepy. Besides, what's that stench? Oh, Jesus, Mama. You've messed up the whole place with your foul smell. What's this? I can't have peace of mind in my husband's house.
Mama, why was she shouting at you?
She saw me laying down here and she became angry. Ah, Jesus. Excuse me.
Mama, you said what happened?
She saw me lying down here and she became angry.
Is that all?
That is all.
Can you imagine the drama? Drama queen! What gave her the right to treat you like a beggar she picked from the streets? It's like that lady is forgetting that this is your son's house. You are not a stranger here.
I don't really know what came over her.
You don't have to know. She has been like this ever since we arrived here. What is eating her up is exactly what I do not know. But this is enough. Brother Chike needs to hear of this. She needs to be cautioned.
Please, don't tell him anything. Let it not be that we came here to cause problems between them. Let peace reign, please.
Mama, you and peace. Peace. Does she want peace? From the way she acted, do you think she needs peace? Every time. Mama, this is the height of it. If this repeats itself, I will not take it from her. Nonsense!
Mama, as I am talking to you, they are right there in my house.
It's high time you took a stand in that house. They have no right to come to your house without informing you first.
Ma, you don't need to talk too much. I am waiting for Chike to come back to that house. He has to use his own mouth to tell his mother and his sister to leave the house. If they don't leave, that house will catch fire.
Just like your mother. And you have to stand on that.
Don't know.
If there's anyone that should be in that house, it should be your mother.
Bam!
What are they doing there? Eh?
Generation of hungry fools. Idiots.
Hey, Chineke, I got the Kwandiala. What about the money? Have you collected the money from him?
Mama, I did not collect any money from my husband.
What are you waiting for? Time is going. I need to put stuffs in that shop. Can you let chase that egg?
Mama, since Papa is no longer doing accounts for my husband, why can't he give you some money now? Let him give you some money. The mom not gonna work every minute. I want enough for you.
I don't want him to give me money from that account. Since I save that money, so you can buy a small new car for this family. I don't want to tamper with that money.
Let me ask you a question. What if my husband one day comes to ask for his money? What will you tell him?
He will never ask for that money. How? He can't ask for that money. Forget that one.
Mama?
Eh?
He will not ask for the money.
See, I can see that you're very hungry. Let me get you food.
Mama, I'm hungry. Oh.
I know now.
The two conjunction box in my head is no longer functioning.
Let me bring you food. You look hungry.
They want to finish the whole food in the store. Hungry fools. Their smell alone, eh?
What are you doing? I'm cooking noodles for my mother. She's hungry.
Did you tell Auntie about it?
I don't understand. Tell her as what? As in?
Auntie said nobody should touch her things without her notice.
Did I touch her things?
Yes, now this indomie, the tomato, everything. Eh?
Was that why you did not make lunch?
Auntie asked me not to make lunch.
Kate, listen. This is my brother's house, but I have rights to everything here. I cannot let my mother starve because your almighty madam asked you not to prepare lunch.
You put me in trouble in this house, or you put me in trouble in this house.
Please get out of here.
Every time you look
Kate, leave here.
Every say it's Kate that is causing all the trouble in this house. Don't ask madam to ask me what you're doing.
Adora, I'm talking to you.
Ogini, what is it? What is it? Ogini, leave me alone.
Can't I rest for you in this house? In my house! I just came back, I'm tired. What is it?
Adora, you left home since morning to get the things that you will cook. You're just coming. Okay, where is the bag of rice that I asked you to buy?
See it. It's coming, the bag of rice. I seen it. Can't you see the bag of rice? Bag of rice, go. Cup of beans. In fact, grains of rice. Oga, please. I went to the market to shop. To shop for things that I need. My personal things that I need. Simple.
Let me pretend you're just joking. I don't want to be provoked.
Pretenders.
I'm hungry.
Cooker. Cookest. You cook what? Oga, I'm not joking. I went to shop. These are things I bought.
What's the meaning of this?
Meaning of what? Are you blind? Can't you see? I bought myself things that I need. I can't die because I'm your wife. What is it? So I will not be smelling poverty up and down. Do you understand? See that one you gave to me? I used it. I used them all. In fact, I added my own small thing that I had to buy this thing. Okay, so I don't have any change to buy for Maggie to cook this evening. So no food.
Adora, let me pretend as if you're joking.
Just go.
Okay, man, eh? Hey, Timo!
Yes, Your Majesty. Me, Adora, I am so tired and stressed out. I want to go and rest.
Adora, look at me very well. I am not joking.
You're not joking. I want them. Am I joking?
I'm worried, Pikin. I'm AY. I am joking. Who is joking here? I am not joking too. Please, I beg you. I have told you what I went to do at the market. And I bought what I wanted as a woman. Simple.
Do you know how I stressed to get that money that I just wasted?
Oh, my love, you are stressed. You are stressed. Please go and rest. Do I care? Do I look? I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. See, Shejine, I cannot come and die because you're my husband. See me, your wife. Come on, brazy, or krikao. Not first grade, second grade, you cannot buy for me. I'm a part of Tietie or Kamorogi. Oh, should I die for your children or Guinea? Leave me alone, please. Biko!
I have nothing to tell you now until tomorrow morning.
Mike, please say it now. Biko, say that thing. You know that tomorrow is too far. I'm going to Raka. Don't push me, because you just got faint. It didn't go. Rubbish. I'm out.
Like your mother, like your daughter, I don't want, na moda. If a name, Okwaya kona kusili mwaya, Zella don't want you. Na keti nezi meka umase, like your mother, like your daughter. If a name meka umane, like your mother, like your daughter. If a name akona. Like your mother, like your daughter. Like your mother, like your daughter. Like your mother, like your
Kreja. Kre. Get! This way! Who was in my kitchen? Who cooked this? Who prepared this?
His uncle's sister.
How? Where did they get it from? Or where did she get it from?
From this house.
From my store. Magagin, for what?
Auntie, I swear, I told her not to touch it, but...
For what? But what?
She insisted that she was...
So is she not paying you?
No.
Is she feeding you?
No.
Oh, I told you what to do before leaving this house. And you decided to do one that is... Leave my son, I'm telling you straight now! Get out! Stupid thing.
I don't want Chike to go there and start fighting. He should have informed me before going there.
Mama, Brother Jerry needs to be taught a lesson. He has beaten more than he can chew. I vividly remember how he insulted Uncle Obiozo. The very day the innocent man came to advise him, he insulted him and walked him out of our home.
My son was not...
should beat him.
My son was not like that before. He wasn't like that before. I don't really know what came over him. Very soon he will spend all that money he realized from the sale of the land.
Mama, nothing came over him. Brother Jerry is only but greedy and wicked. That is why he is acting that way.
EJ, how dare you? What gave you the temerity, the guts, the leverage, the impetus to go to my kitchen and use my things without my consent in my absence? Have you gone nuts? Have you gone bananas? Are you alright?
I don't understand.
Don't understand? You don't understand the fact that you cooked my noodles with my tomato, or the fact that you made it with my onions and pepper. Which of the above?
Vivian, I still do not understand.
I don't care if you understand it or not. This is my husband's house. When I was at your age, as a matter of fact, you should be in your own husband's house. Not constituting nuisance in my house. Don't ever in your life. Don't you dare me next time I use any of my things without my consent. I will just sit you up, please. Mom, you go over. Don't try it.
Your things?
Yes.
In my brother's house?
Your brother's house? My husband? Are you not supposed to have your husband right now? I don't care whatever you say. If you want to know what I can do, go to my kitchen next time, use my things, and then I will show you why I am called Vivian.
Vivian, I need to remind you again that this is my brother's house. I am not a slave here.
I don't care if you're a slave or not. Oh, no. You're just here eating like a fool, like a hungry idiot. Look at them. Hungry fools.
Who does that woman think she is?
Is this the kind of wife my son married? Here!
Truly, all that glitters is not gold. I was jumping up and down. Now her true colors are out. But Mama, we are not slaves in this house. This is your son's house and my brother's house. I will not take this from her next time. Kambachi and Kitty, I try and also. Rubbish.
My daughter, you're back. You're welcome.
Mama, you didn't tell me that Vivian's mom owns a shop at Ogige Daily Market.
She told me about it, but she's yet to stock the shop.
The shop is fully stocked though. It's like a supermarket.
It's a guinea?
Yes, now. Provision, babies, foodstuff, all sorts of things.
Adam, did you see it with your two eyes?
That's where I got my part from now. Yes. But, Mama, come to think of it, who gave her money to stock up the shop like that?
Her in-law.
Her in-law? I'm really happy for her. I'm really happy for her. Hey, Mama. You must be very hungry.
I am.
Let me go and prepare something for you to eat.
Yeah, Teresa and her husband are now making money from the advice I gave her. She has never bothered to show any appreciation.
If not to support them. What else? You will always support them whether they are good or they do wrong. You will always support them.
All I have ever done in this marriage is to love your people and show kindness to them. Why can't you reciprocate it?
Did I just hear you say reciprocate? Did I just hear you say that? Please and please, help me tell your sister not to ever go to my kitchen again, because if she tries it next time, I'll be better with her to her.
Not when you have vowed to stab my mother and my sister. And that reminds me, don't you try that again.
Then you ask them to go. Tell your mother and your sister to leave this house. I need peace in my husband's house. What is wrong with them?
Are you okay?
I am okay.
Can you hear yourself talk? You want me to ask my mother and my sister out of my own house?
Let me remind you, mister, I got married to you, not to your people. So they should leave this house. They have to. This is my matrimonial house, for Christ's sake.
Go now and apologize to my mother.
I say, Yes. What did you just say? No, wait, Mama Chelo. Are you serious? I should go and apologize to someone that stole from me. Are you for real? Your sister should be the one apologizing to me with your mother, not the other way around. No, you tell me, why does she have to go to my store to pick up my foodstuffs without my consent? Who does that?
Thank God you said my sister and not some random stranger. Listen to me. I've had enough today. I don't want to add to it. Okay? Allow my mother and my sister be. Let them feel free in my house.
Oh, it's okay. I will find a balance, but it's alright. You want them to be free up here? No problem. I will help your mother to separate her 2 legs so she can be seated down very comfortably well. But do not be surprised if you see my mother here tomorrow morning, and I'm sure you know what that means. What? Rubbish.
If I'm a Mary, I'll gunjano, man, I hope you would be one or two. I, oh, and run more. The mother run away. If I'm a Mary.
I told you how Kate asked me to call Vivian before making the noodles for you. Now, my brother's house.
She knows what she is doing. She purposely wanted to starve us.
Exactly. Did you not see the time she came back?
EJ! That your brother is my husband does not give you the right to misbehave and do the things you want in this house. I will not take it again from you. Not anymore.
Vivian, you cannot walk in. What is it again? I don't understand.
I want you and your mother to pack your things and leave and let me enjoy my marriage. Is it too hard for me? I mean, is that too much?
Chineke pokwa ala chukwa ala kubego tele.
Mama, if you say just one thing now, if you say no be this gray hair where your hair, I can see in Kapu Susuogo no. Mama, Kapu Susuogo.
Vivian, make sure to how dare you talk to my mother like that? Are you stupid? Are you mad? How dare you talk to my mother in my son's house? Oh, why don't you tell me following?
You have to talk. Oh, you
how dare you talk to my mother like that? Ask Rogazo. Oh,
the put on mana. Chineke come here.
Wait for me. You want to talk? You want to talk?
Stupid.
Wait for me. Wait.
Who are you? Stupid girl. Where are you going? Idiot.
Imagine this idiot. Eh? Idiot. They have no respect for the elderly. Idiot. No longer in my son's house. I will not rest. I should run away from this idiot.
No. Idiot. Nonsense.
One day, one trouble.
That was what happened. Up till this morning, she has not told me what she did with the money. That's why we are here, Baba.
Chijina.
Ogo.
You gave 25,000 naira to your wife for her to buy food items. Rather than buy these items, she used the money to buy dresses for herself. Is that what you're saying?
Yes, Papa.
Adore. Papa, what is said? Is it the truth?
Yes, Papa, it is.
But the right question here is, you should ask him, when last did he buy dresses for my daughter? That should be the question. Is that enough reason for her not to use the money to buy food items as she was?
It's enough. It's enough reason. When last did you buy a dress or even wrapper as a married woman? When last did you buy it for her? That's what I expect to hear.
Adora has enough dresses at home.
It's not about the dresses. So. When last did you buy one for her? Okay, let me not even go to her own. When last? You should better when last. Have you ever brought anything to this house where you married from? Even a fumpuru sweet.
Have you brought one thing to this house?
Ma, is that what you're saying?
And now, what do you want me to say? What else do you want me to say? I wanted Adora to marry a rich man, like her sister. But you deceived her. And my husband here was here encouraging her. I told her, again. She didn't hear me. I thank God though. I thank God she has come. She's back to her senses. Ola Chitago. Back to her senses.
Papa, you're not saying anything.
What do you want him to say? Rather than what I'm telling you now. I wanted her to marry a rich man. The way her sister Vivian married that one she's married now. A rich man will buy me a helicopter. This man was here encouraging her to marry you. I said it because I knew that Duro, this time will come. I knew that you're not capable of handling this girl. Ekumia. I said it. Come to Lekuya. If you get Keta. Mama Adora. It's okay. I don't like it. Look at your head. There goes the people. And you all look at the cap on your head. Both of you look alike. You're in the same association. SMA. Stingy Men Association. Stingy Men Association. You are the chairman. If you look at the hungry chairman, hungry member. You look alike. Dry people. Useless people. You're the chairman of this association. Draw your trousers up and show up. No bell. I said it. See, it's falling down. Ifro. Leave here. I said it to your head. Say a lot of nonsense. If we get a never call useless man. I hate you. I hate you so much.
I brought a matter to you and your husband. All you could do is to insult me before my wife.
Carry yourself because I hold your head. Your head is going one side. Stingy Men Association President.
Teresa, I don't like the way you talk to that woman. I don't like it at all.
Don't talk to me like that. Don't talk to me like that. Look at your head. Of what essence are you? You are a useless man. Look at your head. I told you for my daughter not to marry that man. I was telling her not to marry this man. Not to marry this man. You are here encouraging her. Encouraging her. Thank God she's back to her senses. You're here saying nonsense. You just get inside. You're not even useful in this matter. Ha! Stingy Men Association. In the game. From. Mama, no. Mama, good morning. This one you're here early this morning. Yes, is Papa around? Sit down. How's your husband? Papa, is Papa around? Papa? He left very early in the morning to go and get sand from Asama.
Mama, he's the reason I came this morning.
Is there any problem?
Mama, there's a problem. In fact, there will be a big problem if I do not do something now to avoid it. There will.
What could that be? Did your husband... What happened?
Mama, for the past 2 months now, Papa has not sent any money to my husband's account. What's going on?
And did your husband complain to you?
Mama, he does not need to complain to me. He did not complain to me, but I...
But what? Why are you so worried? Why are you so worried about this?
Mama, I am worried because I do not want Papa and my husband to have issues.
They will never have issues. Don't you believe in God? I have assured you this before. Well, in fact, it's me that told my husband to stop paying your husband money.
Mama, why?
That your husband. Dikeh is very wicked though. He's a stingy and wicked man. You want to change my husband to become a slave for him? Lady man, my poor husband. How can your husband ask my husband to be bringing him money from his sweat? You look at it, your father will sweat from morning till night, and in the evening you cut the money and give to your husband. What has that small money from a poor man to do with this rich man that has too much that can even throw that one away?
Mama.
Oh, Mama.
That was not their agreement.
Nothing he has nothing to do with agreement. Don't you want us to? Are you a fool? I don't even know. Can't you reason with your mother for once? Reason like your mother. I told him not to give again, so you save that money. You need to buy a small car for the family. You stop being so worried. Is that why you're like this? I told him not to be paying that money, so we can make use of that money. It was wisdom. I had this inspiration. Yes, I was inspired. Deeply inspired. Yes. Oh, yeah.
What's that?
Take it now. Check what's written on the paper first before you start asking me questions.
Is this a joke? Another 150,000 naira after I gave you this same amount.
What is a joke about this list? Now you tell me, what is a joke there? Do you know the kind of food your mother and your sister consume in this house? Do you? Well, since you insisted that they must stay with us, this is the money you'll be bringing for their upkeep. I need to stock up my store.
What do you do with all the money I give? What do you do?
What's happened? Eh? Wait. Who's someone for me? Am I your mother? Am I your sister? Why are you screaming at me? For what? Yeah.
Anyway, I know what to do. I'm not giving you any money. I'm going to the market myself to get the stuff.
You're joking. Okay, now let me tell you something. If you do not give me that money and you come back and
I will not give you any.
You will not eat anything in this house if you don't give me that money. What? Don't even know when to knock and when not to knock.
Good morning. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. Mama said I should call you.
Okay, I'll join you later. Tell her I'm coming. Jackie will nego. Just stop.
You must give me that money.
I will not give you that money. I will go and buy it myself.
If you don't give me the money, I'll collect it from your body. If I get the money, you will give me the money.
You touch my money.
If I get the money. Okay, we shall see now. You will give me that money, chicken. If I get that money. Bring it for your nipples. You don't know where to bring the money from. And they come and be eating like fools, like idiots. Now come, they must leave this house.
Wow. Hey. How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stock up with this type of woman? I can't come back where I come here before my country.
Good morning, Mama.
We are going back today. In fact, this morning.
Why?
You are asking why? How do you expect me to continue staying here and be receiving insults from your wife all the time?
Mama, this is my house. This is your son's house and you have every right to stay here. Why are you getting worked up?
Brother, please, don't say that. Why have you refused to call your wife to order? Why in God's name would she be treating us like strangers in your own house?
Don't talk as though I do not have control over my wife. I do. Just take things easy. This is my house and you both have as much right as she does to stay here. Don't make it seem like we have some big quarrel going on here. Please.
Chike, we are going back so that your wife will have peace. In fact, I see that our presence here makes her very uncomfortable. So we have to leave.
Mama, no. You're not going anywhere. Like I said before, this is my house and you both are going to stay. You have as much right to be here as she does.
Then why can't you talk to her?
I am talking to her.
Why did you allow her to be messing up in your house?
I'll talk to her, Mama, but please. You're not going anywhere. I don't even know why this is a topic for this discussion. Bikun, please. Where I call that one? I'm coming, Mama.
How did I end up with this type of woman? How did I stock up with this type of woman? I can't come back where I come here a family. If I'm a country, we back with the family. Kini kavate mezi metua. Hopi modi kwa nochao. I can't come back, I come here a family. If I'm a country, we back with the family.
Nemo. There is.
Hi. Sorry, I kept you waiting. Oh, sorry, I was on call. One of my customers is waiting for me in the shop. Sorry.
It's bad.
No, you have to be fast so I can go and meet them in the shop.
Okay, so bad. Teresa. Your friend has a very big problem. I am in big trouble.
Family problem, Okoya?
Not really. Nkabu business problem.
Okay, that one is easy now.
I'm facing a lot of challenges as the breadwinner in the family, and that has affected the capital for my business.
This has reminded me of my situation. You know, I went through the same thing. Hi, until the Lord Almighty remembered me. God will remember you.
Amen.
When you go through it.
Amen. That is why I have come. Teresa, you are the only one that can help me out of this situation.
I'm not a pastor, ma. Be prayerful.
Of course, I am praying. Please, lend me 30,000 naira. I will pay you back. So.
30,000? Hi. You see that my shop? I'm still looking for money to put things in that shop. And when I'm 30,000, I've not stocked that shop. Hi! 30,000. God.
Does that mean that you're not going to lend me the money?
It's not that I can't lend it. I don't even have it. That's why I'm calling on God. I don't even have it. If I had it, I'll give you. You're my best friend.
Please help me talk to your husband. I will pay back.
My dear, you see, they say that CHIKELUE sadalonu kosiato. All that glitters is not good. You got to go. My husband, that one is no go area. You see that his new truck? Hi. My husband is going through a lot. Today, it will be his front tire that will burst. Tomorrow, it will be the axle.
Yay.
Do you know the one that is axle?
Nebekwan.
That one also will go out. Next tomorrow, he'll be working on the fenders.
Hey, fenders?
They are all in that car. All these things I'm telling you, they always go out. One, this one don't go, this one go today, the other one will go tomorrow. They are all in that car. He has been going through a lot. Hi! And I've been praying.
Let me start going. Since you said customers are waiting.
They're waiting. Oh, yes. You see, in that my time, you learn how to fast and pray. Always fast and pray. What
I've been praying. Oh,
hi, 30,000. I didn't have 30,000. Oh, bye-bye.
Like it, mother, like it, daughter. Like it, mother, like it, daughter. Like it, mother, like it, daughter.
How are you? How's your family?
We are all fine. You're fine. This one you are carrying foul like this. It's like you are going to your office.
You know what we do?
Yes.
They say give the one that belongs to Caesar. And the one that is for God, give to God.
Wow.
I'm going to the shrine to feed the ancestors.
Okay.
Can you feel Faneri? That is what I'm going to do. You know now.
It's all right.
And you? This one you are standing here, where are you headed to?
My brother, I went to Ubuka market to buy this paper. You can see that. For my tipper. That tipper is giving me real headache.
Tipper again?
Hey, today, Azu. Tomorrow, clutch. So my brother, I'm really tired with this tipper. It has gotten permanent residency at the mechanic's place. So after buying these papers now, okay, let me take bike from here to the mechanic's place so that they can fix it for me. That's the problem.
Udog, me and you, we need to talk.
All these your problems started immediately you abandoned the ways of your forefathers and embraced the white man church.
Ebubagu, don't just go there. Please don't go there at all. Don't remind me of the past. The old things have passed away. Please. Abandon what?
Dog, your forefathers are angry with you. Come to think of it, have you asked yourself this question? Why is it that two of your daughters who are married in their husband's place has not been able to conceive? Dog,
let me tell you, God has time for everything. Yes, at the right time, my children will conceive.
I'm telling you this because we are friends. Your forefathers are angry with you. You need to appease them. Appease them so that you are where we go. Go from the jacket.
God forbid that I should appease ancestors. Ancestors what? How? I can only appease the Almighty God because the earth is His and the fullness thereof. Have you not read it in the scriptures?
I want nti anoro ebupunsi nti esoriye asekwana na magwara ge. Don't say that I did not warn you.
Aye to fear.
Well, it's your choice. I know what I'm telling you. You can go here, and let me go and feed the ancestors.
What sort of stupid question is that? No, as a matter of fact, are you the one asking me that or someone is talking to you?
Why did you invite her without letting me know?
The last time I checked, your mother and your sister came to this house without letting me know. So what's the difference? No, tell me, why do I even have to let you know before she comes to the house?
Mind the way you talk to me, I'm your husband.
Oh, please, give that certificate just fling it to the, just throw it away. What's this husband thing? A man that cannot stand for his right. A man that cannot defend his wife. Is that what a husband? As a husband? Oh, please. Well, Mr. Man, if you must know, my mother is already in the living room with your own mother. You see this house? They will pull it down. I just... Hey. Chike, no, wait, you wanted to hit me. Chike, you wanted to slap me because I brought my mother to my own husband's house. Chike, you will kill me today. You will kill me today. Slap me.